myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the pathophysiology of the Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease attacks the nerves and brain cells as well as the neurotransmitters. The destruction of these parts cause the clump of protein to form around the brain cell, and these clumps are known as the plaque and bundles. The presence of the plaque and bundles start to destroy more connection between the brain cell, which makes the condition worse. Due to the etiological factors, changes occur in the protein of the nerve cell of the cerebral cortex, accumulation of the neurofibril tangle and the plaque, and the granules, vascular degenerations, loss of cholinergic nerve cell, loss of memory function, and the cognitions. Microscopy image of the neurofibrillary tangle confirmed by the hyperphosphorylated tau protein. Normal neurons, Alzheimer's, there are the neurofibrillary tangles, amyloid plaque. Enzymes act on the APP amyloid precursor protein and cut it into the fragments. The beta amyloid fragment is the crucial in the formation of senile plaque in AD. In Alzheimer's disease, change in the tau proteins lead to the disintegrations of the microtubules in the brain cells. The 10 warning signs of the Alzheimer's disease. First is the memory loss, difficulty to performing familiar tasks, problem with the language, disorientation to time and the place, poor or decreased judgment, placing things, changes in the mood and the behavior, change in personality, loss of initiatives. Symptoms are the confusion, disturbance in short-term memory, problems with attention and the spatial orientation, personality changes, language difficulty, unexplained mood swings. Next is the diagnostic test, psychiatric assessment, mental status examination and neurophysiological assessment, laboratory test, brain imaging, CT scan, MRI, PET, SPECT, CSF examination, electroencephalogram, EEG and electromyogram.